Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, for example, I'm going to go ahead and lock this chat. I'm going to tap and hold, tap on three dots, and then tap on lock chat. There you go. Now, it says here, keep this chat locked and hidden. Now, use your face or fingerprint to open this chat and read notifications on this device. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and hit on continue. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, in the next screen, it will ask you to use your fingerprint or type down a PIN. Okay, just go ahead and do so. And then once that's done, it says this chat is locked. Now, as you can see here, we have the locked chats section. Now, we go ahead and tap on it. And again, use your fingerprint or PIN. Now, I'm going to tap on the three dots where it says more options. Now, you have here at the bottom chat lock settings. You're going to want to tap on it. And then make sure that you tap on hide locked chats. And then change the secret code if you have forgotten, okay? Let's say I'm going to go ahead and use secret. Next, retype it down. Secret, done. Okay. Now when we go ahead and go back, it should be gone now. All right. Now the way to find it is you're going to want to ask Meta AI right here or search. So remember the code, which is secret. Just like so, and as you can see, the locked chats is now available. So just tap on it. Now here we have the locked chats. Now you can go ahead and tap on it and continue chatting in here. All right. And that is how you find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.